Welcome. In front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I will show you how you can connect with your Xiaomi AirDots 2. So there we got the two ways to connect. The first one, when you open the case and the indicator are already blinking, you can simply move to the Bluetooth settings and connect them. In my case, I have to move them to the pairing mode manually, so click and hold both buttons just like that. Right now release the key and take a look, they are blinking on the white color, so we can smoothly move to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and take a look on the available devices list. Here they are, so you have to simply tap on them once, click pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.